In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install the Azure CLI on Windows as of 2025. We'll go through the main options, provide tips for verification, and offer some troubleshooting insights to make sure your installation process is as smooth as possible. Let's start by discussing the installation methods available. Microsoft offers several supported paths for installing the Azure CLI on a Windows system. Primarily, you can choose from the MSI installer, the Windows Package Manager, commonly known as Winget, or a zip package if you're looking for a portable or non-admin installation. Today, we're going to focus on installing using Winget, which is convenient and straightforward if you're using Windows 10 or 11. The first step is to open up PowerShell or Command Prompt. You have the option here to operate either as a regular user or with elevated permissions, although elevation isn't necessary. Once your terminal is ready, you'll type the following command: winget install exact ID Microsoft Azure CLI. This command is designed to install the Azure CLI directly onto your machine, ensuring you have the very latest version available. Now, if you have a specific version in mind, the command gives you the flexibility to specify it. For example, you can type winget install exact ID Microsoft Azure CLI version 2.77.0 if that's the version you're aiming for. It's important to note that once you've completed the installation, you'll want to close and then reopen your terminal. This step is crucial because it ensures that the CLI is correctly recognized in your path, which allows you to run commands seamlessly. After installing, it's a good idea to verify that everything is set up correctly. To do this, open your terminal again and type AZ version. This simple command will provide you with output that looks something like this: Azure CLI followed by a version number, Azure CLI Core followed by its version, and Azure CLI Telemetry with its version. This output confirms that the Azure CLI is properly installed on your system and shows your version details. Once you've verified the installation, you're ready to start using the Azure CLI. A fundamental step is signing in to your Azure account. All you have to do is type login, and this will prompt a browser window to open where you can authenticate your credentials. After signing in, you can check the details of your account and subscriptions by typing AZ account show. This command will display your subscription details, confirming that you're all set to start managing those Azure resources. And that's a wrap for our tutorial on installing the Azure CLI using Winget. I hope this walkthrough helps you get started quickly and efficiently. If you follow these steps, you'll have the Azure CLI ready to support your Azure management tasks on Windows. Thanks for watching, and happy configuring.